In this video, we're going to filter our dataset in Google Sheets based on a text input. So we're going to combine the query function with a text search. The way we're going to do that is very similar to the drop-down query that we've done before. So right now we have a drop-down query set up that every time we change cell A1, it will automatically update the dataset based on cell or column C. So we'd like to replace cell A1 with a text search input. I'm going to do the text search on the first name. So to do that, let me first get rid of a few columns. So we just get column A, B, C, O, and P. And then I would like to do where P, so the first name, has to matches a regular expression of a wildcard, A1, and ends with a wildcard. Alright, so let's see what we get if we do that. So now it matches any first name. So if we want to filter down on names, we can, for instance, type in Ben and see what happens. So we just find first names with Ben. If we want to do, let's say, Sam, let's see if we get anything under Sam. We don't get anything. If we do N, probably get some names with AN in there. Yes, Logan, Hannah. So this is an easy way to do a regular expression search on a data set. So in this case, I've set it up with wildcards before and after. So if you do Logan, it will match Logan. Okay. So it will match Logan, but it will also match Logan if you remove the N. So it has any wildcards before and after the name. If you don't want that, you can use a different query. Just let me know in the comments if you're looking for a specific solution, and we can see if we can guide you in the right direction. If not, happy to see you in the next video, and let me know if you have any specific request. See you there.